Same old boring Sunday morning, old man's out washing the car. Mum's in the kitchen cooking Sunday dinner, her best meal, moaning while it lasts. And Johnny is upstairs in his bedroom, sitting in the dark, annoying the neighbours with his baritone Tudor guitar. This is the sound of home counties. This is the sound of home counties. Every lousy Monday morning Heathrow jets go crashing over our home. 10 o'clock, Broadmoor siren driving me mad, won't leave me alone. And Johnny sits there in his bedroom looking at the night. Hey, what are you listening to? Is that William Byrd? That's right. This is the sound of home counties. This is the sound of home counties. Tudor guitar break. Youth Club Geek used to want to be free. Now I play Tell Me Daphne. I play too fast. I play out of tune. Practice is a thing I very rarely do. Thumbs all split. I can't even drone. And I've changed half the words. This is the sound of home counties. Hey nonny nonny, this is the sound of home counties. Nonny 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 no, this is the sound of home counties. This is the sound of home counties. Yeah! Have it!